Let's learn how to read Instagram messages without being seen. If you want to read someone's message without them knowing that you've read it but don't know how, you don't need to worry anymore. After watching this video, you'll know how to do it. This tutorial is the same for both iPhone and Android devices. The first thing you need to do is open the Instagram app. Once it's open, make sure you're logged into the correct account. When Instagram is open, you'll be on the home page, but you need to be on the search page. To get there, click on the search icon located at the bottom left. Once the search page opens, you'll see some suggested posts, but you need to click on the search bar at the top of the page. After clicking on it, a page will open where you need to type the name of the profile whose message you want to read. Once you've done that, go to that person's profile. When you're on their profile, click on the three dots located in the top right corner of the screen. This will open a menu with several options. You need to click on the red restrict option. After doing that, click on messages and read the message. Once you've read the message, go back to that person's profile. Then click on the white unrestrict option. And that's it. You've successfully read the message without the person knowing. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.